Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Let's solve this exercise. Er macht mit blank Klasse blank Ausflug. The meaning of this sentence is he makes a trip with his class. Now in the first blank we have to fill the correct ending of sein. Here the subject is er and for er we have to use sein as a possessive pronoun for his. So here we can exclude this third option. Third option is no more valid, so we have to select from first option, second option and third option. In order to find the correct option, we must know that what is the gender of Klasse. Klasse is a feminine noun in German language, and we must also know the preposition mit, which is a dative preposition. So the ending of sein for a feminine noun in dative case, which is seiner. And in the second blank, we have a noun Ausflug, which is a masculine noun, and because he is making a trip with his class, so the trip is receiving the action, therefore it is in the accusative case, and we know that the indefinite article for a masculine noun in accusative case is einen. Therefore the last option is the right one, so it will be er macht mit seiner Klasse einen Ausflug. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.